So intellectual property obviously is a very important part of tech companies and creative companies, but actually it also can be a very important part of kind of like what people call like the boring businesses now, which are they're attractive, but people don't necessarily associate having IP with those businesses, and they do. So they have, they may have their internal playbook of how they run their business. They might have, business plans and other things that could be protectable trade secrets. And so it's really important for those things to be documented, and then also for there to be protections in place, whether that's protections from, procedurally, like what's password protected internally, or just agreements with your employees on what they can and can't share. And so this is a really important part because no business really should ignore this. Um, when they're working with their lawyers really need to dig in and figure out and define what is their IP, how it should be protected procedurally in the business, and also, what agreement should be in place. Because when people come in as strategic buyers and they're looking to buy a business, this is something that can really set it apart. Is kind of like having that internal playbook of how do we run, this plumbing company that makes it so different than others.